Hello world, this is my Tomica collection, my Arena Countach. It's from a keychain. Gold ones. I do not have the purple chrome one. Wish I did. These are the new limited. The red and blue. Walter Wolf. This is the same casting, just I think it was a 4-pack. These 4 are event specials. Sadly, I did not go to them. Vietnam. China. This is one of 3 black ones. This is China. It was a 4-pack. Supercars, different from this one. It's nice because it came with the Mira too. Classic. These are some special limited ones with rubber tires. This one. And these 2 came together in a 4-pack as well. The other were Miras in the 4-pack. Trash. These are all pretty old. This one's a newer Countach. China. Don't think it was a special event. This was a 4-pack as well. Another supercar release. Don't recall which else were in it. This is newer yet. Still made in China though. These 3 are my favorite because they're yellow. That one one's China. Still a bit older though. It came in like a blister pack with a key fob. There you go. Hope you like it. I don't have them all, but I think there's 23. Alright. Enjoy.